Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to share a thread to your Instagram story. So here I've already on the thread apps. Then I'm going to just write a thread in here. Okay, for example like this. And after that, just click on post, and you can also adjust set the thread. You can set anyone can reply, or only the people profiles you follow, or mentioned only. Okay, I'm going to just click on post. Okay, so now it's posting. Click on view, and to share it to your Instagram story, just click on this airplane icon under the thread, and you'll see there is an option to add it to story. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Instagram apps like this. And to share it, just click on your story. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.